The fastest money you'll ever make, and it's repeatable. MSR might not be new, but it's absolutely worth using in 2025. You can earn a few dollars every week with less than 3 minutes of effort. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustlereliance. On our channel, our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. MSR is a platform that rewards you for sharing your digital insights from places like YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, and even your device's screen time. I did mention MSR briefly in my Monetize Your Data and Sell It for a Profit video, but honestly, it deserves a full breakdown in itself. MSR is available in multiple countries, it's easy to use, and it's ideal for earning on the go. In fact, I've been using the platform for months and I've actually made over $300 so far. Behind the scenes, I've been in touch with MSR to bring an exclusive sign-up link to all you lot watching this video. Use my link in the description and you'll instantly unlock a retro task worth 200 MSR points. That's $2 for just signing up. This video is not sponsored by MSR though, I just wanted to give something back to you lot for supporting my channel over the years. And as always, I will be sharing my honest thoughts about MSR, how you can earn and what you can expect. The MSR app. So once you've signed up for MSR, head over to the My Data section within the app and fill in your interests. This is things like video games, fashion, beverages, applications, things which is going to allow MSR to tailor tasks towards you. If you'd like, you can also choose to validate your identity here, but I personally skipped over this step since I didn't think it was necessary and it hasn't really impacted my earning potential on the application. Once that's done, you are now ready to start earning, so head over to the feed. So MSR does actually offer multiple ways to earn on the platform, such as surveys, product tests, data sharing, but in this video I want you to focus on the retro tasks. They're quick, they take just a few seconds to complete, and are one of the easiest ways to earn online. Best of all, you will not get rejected from any of them, and many of them can be repeated weekly. You may be thinking, I am not going to share my personal data with some app. But I've actually been using MSR for years, even before Sidehustlereliance existed, and I've had no problems. According to their site, your privacy is our top priority. Any personal information is removed before analysis, ensuring your data remains anonymous. We only collect metadata and behavioral insights, never private messages or sensitive content. So there you go.
Yeah, that's comforting, thank you.
So how do you earn? There are two types of retro tasks on MSR. The first being regular sharing, where you can share specific data on a weekly basis, as well as less frequent tasks which appear every 2 to 3 weeks. Both are simple and easy to complete, but the regular ones are your consistent easy wins. Every week you can earn by sharing your iOS privacy report and your screen time data. Let's start by looking into the privacy report. To get your privacy report, you need to go to your iPhone settings, head over to privacy and download the report from there, and then upload it to MSR. Always make sure you upload this privacy report on a Monday, as the reward you get paid is boosted from 50 cents to $1. So it's always worth making sure you do that every single Monday to maximize your payout. After submitting your privacy report, you'll have the option to share your screen time data in 2 different ways. You can record your weekly screen time for the past 4 weeks using the settings app and then upload the video directly to MSR to receive 50 cents. You can also share your daily screen time across a 14-day period by following the same process. Just record your settings and then upload it to MSR to earn an additional 50 cents. Both options are quick and straightforward to do, allowing you to earn an additional $1 every single week by just sharing this data. By sharing your iOS privacy report and your screen time data, that's giving you access to a guaranteed $2 every single week, which is repeatable. But there are other ways to earn from these retro tasks. For the less common data sharing, MSR may request data from various sources from yourself, like Amazon, YouTube, TikTok, X, and many more. If it's a major social media network, they're more than likely going to want that data at some point. When this happens, MSR will provide clear instructions on how to import and upload that data to the platform. After completing each task, you'll actually earn at least 50 MSR every single time you do this. But depending on the data shared, you could easily get paid more. These tasks normally come up every 2 to 4 weeks, but if you're constantly submitting that privacy report and screen time data, you will never miss out on these additional ways to earn. Additionally, if you live in the UK, MSR is also looking for individuals with a Sky subscription. If you do already use Sky and want to earn an extra £180, you can provide MSR with your Sky ID and earn that way. And yes, you can actually combine this with the other ways to share your data, like the privacy report and screen time, for even more earnings. Another quick note about MSR: if you do complete any surveys on the platform and you do get disqualified, MSR will still compensate you for your time. They'll still give you something. So that's good to know.
And I think most people agree something is better than nothing.
You may be thinking, can my partner and I both use MSR at the same time? And yes, you can, as long as you do not share the same data. For example, MSR might want to see watch data on YouTube. As long as you and your partner has separate YouTube accounts that you use separately, and you share that data from each of the accounts to each of your MSR accounts, you should be fine. But for example, if you had an Amazon account that you were sharing between you and your partner, and you both decided to upload that data to MSR, your account could potentially be banned due to fraudulent data. So how much will I make with MSR? On MSR, I make around £20 per month. That's almost £250 a year for less than 3 minutes of work per week. You can cash out at £10 to PayPal, which is around 1,300 MSR points. I personally feel like MSR is an app you do not want to miss out on. The fact that you can earn $2 every week, regardless of what's available in the market, is really amazing. Plus, with all the other ways to share data on MSR, like with Amazon and X, this application is truly a game changer. And I've been using it for the last 5 years, and honestly I can say it's my favourite app right now. Like, it's so easy to use, and as long as you follow the instructions provided by MSR, you can consistently earn money with them. And what's not to love about that? MSR isn't the only way to make money from your data. I did upload a video a few weeks back talking about the other applications you can use that pays you for your data. So it's definitely worth using them alongside MSR, because you can actually earn up to $2,000 a year by just sharing this data. Don't forget to sign up using the link in the description to unlock that exclusive retro task with 200 MSR points. That's $2 for just signing up. I personally feel like these data sharing applications are the easiest ways to earn in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, it'll be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.
I can't download her without a lot of technical support.
Where's the money come from? Miss Darlene Sweet, where's the money come from?